If you're passionate about cooking and want your meals to have that perfect sear, deep flavor, and authentic homemade taste, then a cast iron skillet is a must-have in your kitchen. These timeless pans are built to last for decades, deliver unmatched heat retention, and can be used on everything from stovetops and ovens to grills and campfires. Today on Minimal Earth Life, we're diving into the top 5 best cast iron skillets on Amazon in 2025, from versatile sets to iconic classics that every home cook should own. Let's jump right in. Number 5. Utopia Kitchen Cast Iron Skillet Set, 3 pieces of versatility. If you're just starting your cast iron cooking journey or looking for maximum value in one purchase, the Utopia Kitchen Cast Iron Skillet Set is a fantastic choice. It includes 3 skillets in sizes 6, 8, and 10 inches, giving you the flexibility to cook everything from single servings to family meals. Each skillet comes pre-seasoned and ready to use, so you can start cooking immediately without any extra prep. Their heavy-duty cast iron construction ensures excellent heat retention and even cooking, whether you're frying eggs, searing steaks, or baking desserts. These pans work perfectly on the stove, in the oven, on the grill, or over a campfire, making them incredibly versatile. While they are heavier than non-stick pans and the handles can get hot during cooking, these are small trade-offs for the performance and durability you get. For beginners, budget-conscious cooks, or anyone who loves variety in the kitchen, this 3-piece set is an unbeatable deal. Number 4. Lodge Wildlife Series 6.5-inch Skillet, small but stunning. For those who love functional cookware with a unique aesthetic, the Lodge Wildlife Series 6.5-inch cast iron skillet is a beautiful blend of practicality and artistry. Featuring a detailed wolf scene embossed into the bottom, this skillet adds a rustic charm to your kitchen or campfire setup. Its compact size makes it ideal for small tasks like frying a single egg, toasting spices, or baking individual desserts. Despite its smaller size, it still delivers the excellent heat retention and even cooking performance Lodge is known for. Because it's pre-seasoned, you can use it straight out of the box, and it's durable enough to last a lifetime with proper care. While it's not suited for cooking large meals, this skillet shines in its role as a specialty pan or a thoughtful gift for outdoor enthusiasts and collectors. It's a small but mighty piece that proves cast iron can be both functional and decorative. Number 3. Lodge Cast Iron Skillet with Red Silicone Handle, safe and stylish. If safety and convenience are priorities for you, the Lodge 10.25-inch cast iron skillet with red silicone handle holder offers the perfect balance of traditional performance and modern practicality. It's the same iconic skillet design Lodge is known for, but with the added benefit of a heat-resistant silicone sleeve that lets you move the pan with confidence. The skillet comes pre-seasoned and ready to go, offering excellent heat distribution and retention for everything from searing steaks and sautéing vegetables to baking skillet cookies or cornbread. The red handle cover not only protects your hands, but also adds a stylish touch to your cookware. It's worth noting that the silicone holder isn't oven-safe beyond 400 degrees, but for most cooking tasks, it's a game changer. This skillet is a great choice for home cooks who want professional results without sacrificing comfort and safety. Number 2. Amazon Basics 15-inch Cast Iron Skillet. Go big or go home. When it comes to size and capacity, the Amazon Basics 15-inch cast iron skillet is in a league of its own. Designed for family meals and large gatherings, this massive skillet gives you a generous cooking surface perfect for searing multiple steaks, cooking big breakfasts, or preparing party-sized portions of stir-fry and fajitas. It comes pre-seasoned for immediate use and delivers the even heat distribution and retention that cast iron is famous for. The dual side handles provide added stability and make it easier to lift and transfer, which is essential since this skillet is quite heavy. While its size means it requires more storage space and may not be ideal for everyday use, it's the perfect pan when cooking for a crowd or batch prepping meals. If you love entertaining or simply want a skillet that can handle anything you throw at it, this one is a powerhouse addition to your kitchen. Number 1. Lodge 10.25-inch cast iron skillet, the timeless classic. At the top of our list is the legendary Lodge 10.25-inch cast iron skillet, a staple in kitchens for over a century and a true symbol of cast iron craftsmanship. Made in the USA and built to last a lifetime, this skillet offers everything you want in a piece of cookware: durability, versatility, and incredible cooking performance. Its naturally seasoned surface provides a reliable non-stick quality that only improves with use, while its thick cast iron construction ensures even heating and superb heat retention. The thoughtfully designed teardrop handle gives you better control and a secure grip, making it easy to maneuver even when full. This skillet works on all heat sources, including induction and open flames, and it's just at home on a campfire as it is in a modern kitchen. Although it's heavier than most modern pans and requires regular seasoning to maintain its best performance, these are minor trade-offs for a pan that will likely outlast every other piece of cookware you own. Cast iron skillets are more than just cooking tools. They're kitchen heirlooms that improve with every meal and bring timeless quality to your cooking. Which of these skillets caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more essential kitchen gear and minimalistic living tips, only here on Minimal Earth Life.